Welcome to NeoEnglish, the podcast that helps you learn practical English quickly.
Yes, we teach English by talking about real news stories. Today we'll talk about a big story in college basketball, Cooper Flagg's injury.
That's right. Cooper Flagg is a young basketball star. He hurt his ankle in a game and can't play for now.
Let's explain this step by step. First, hurt his ankle means he injured his ankle.
Yes, hurt means to cause pain or damage. For example, I hurt my hand while cooking, or she hurt her knee while running.
Great examples. Now, miss the rest of the game means he cannot continue playing.
Exactly. Miss means you're absent or cannot do something. For example, I missed my flight, or she missed school because she was sick.
That makes sense. The news also mentions Selection Sunday. What is that?
Good question. Selection Sunday is the day when teams are chosen for the big college basketball tournament.
Oh, I see. It's an important day for basketball teams. They find out if they will compete.
Yes, and now people are worried because Cooper Flagg might not be able to play.
I hope he recovers soon. Recover means to get better after being sick or injured.
Right? For example, she recovered from the flu, or it took him a month to recover from his injury.
Good to know. Let's review today's important words and phrases.
Sure. First, we learned hurt, meaning to cause pain or injury.
Then miss, meaning to be absent or not take part.
We also talked about Selection Sunday, which is the day teams are chosen for the tournament.
And recover, which means to get better after being sick or hurt.
Let's retell the news simply so everyone understands.
Cooper Flagg was playing in a tournament game for Duke University. He hurt his ankle and had to leave the game.
This is a big problem because in 3 days, the tournament teams will be selected. People don't know if he will be able to play soon.
I hope he recovers quickly. And I hope our listeners learned something new today.
Yes, keep practicing, and we'll see you next time on Neo English. Have a great day.